In today's video, we are going to show you how to place a trade on Expert Option. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will arrive at the main trading dashboard. If you are new to the platform, you can practice using the demo account before trading with real funds. Right now, I am using the real account. All I have to do is scroll down and click the demo account, which is the yellow button. Now, at the top side of the trading interface, you will find a drop-down menu containing all the available assets. This could be currency pairs, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Now, all I have to do is click on the asset you'd like to trade. For example, we're going to be choosing USD to Euro. Click the select asset. What will happen is the price chart will update automatically to display the selected market. Now, before opening a trade, take some time to review the chart. You can adjust time levels. You can add indicators at the bottom here. And then you can review recent price movements because market analysis can help you make informed trading decisions. And then locate the investment amount section at the bottom. You see, I have a $1 investment and you have the option to sell or to buy. For the investment, let's say we're going to put in this specific amount and click the confirm button. Now, at this point, if you want to place that trade by selling, you can do that as well. It's super simple. And then, as you may notice, you have successfully placed your first trade using a demo account here in Expert Option. All I have to do now is watch the trade as the market moves. Depending on the platform's features, you may have options such as closing the trade early if it's available and wait for the trade to reach its expiration time to see the final results. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to place a trade on Expert Option. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.